intermediate band clarinets and any other people who want to come and visit and join us. We're going to have so much fun today. We are going to be doing number 80 and 81 out of our blue band books, so you can check out those on page 18. We're going to be doing a clarinets only. We're also going to be talking about 6/8 time and figuring out how to count that again and making that something that's just easy to do. You could just grab any 6/8 time and be able to play it pretty well. So we're going to start today with number 80, and we're going to look at the 6/8 time. And what do you notice there that they want us to do? Hopefully you notice that there's no measure lines. So we're going to figure out how to do the counting for 6/8 and where those measure lines are going to go. So I put it up here, and we are going to start with talking and reviewing how many beats per measure in 6/8 time. 6. And what kind of note gets the beat in 6/8 time? The eighth note. All right, so we're going to start with 1, and we're going to count our eighth notes. 1, 2, 3. And how many eighth notes are in a quarter note? 2. So there is our 4 and our 5. And then we have our last eighth note, which is 6. So our first bar line goes after, and if you look at your music on number 80, you'll see A, 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 B, B. Well, this is A, 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 B, B. So we're going to draw in our measure line. Now, if anybody goes, oh, Mrs. Sosman, you're going too fast, you can always put pause on. Push pause. All right, so let's do the next part. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can write this in if you want. If you already know how to do it, you can just kind of follow along and draw your bar lines. So now look in your music. That's C, B, A, G, B, or G, A, B. And you draw in your measure line. All right, let's keep going. New measure. 1, 2, 3. Another quarter note. 4, 5, 6. And look in your music to where that is. C, F, B flat. Sorry, there's B flats in here. A, G. Okay. Draw in your other measure line. And now you're at the end. All right, how do you count that? Well, a dotted quarter note, how many eighth notes is in a dotted quarter note? 3. So whenever you have a time signature that doesn't have a 4 on the bottom, you're thinking, what is the basis for one beat? And then you're looking at all your rhythms and you're comparing them to that one rhythm that is worth one beat. So dotted quarter note has 3 in it, so we're going to say 1, 2, 3. We have a slur going to be 4, so we also have to make that quiet. And then we have 2 eighth rests at the end. So always group 6/8, 9/8, 12/8, 3/8. Always group them in groups of 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's the silent 5 and 6. So it's just like one of these. Here, I'll go over here. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. This is the same thing as this, only the last 2 eighth notes are silent. So your eyeballs need to group things as a musician, and you need to see these patterns so that you can quickly recognize the symbols and play them. All right, so let's count that together. Here's the eighth note. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1. All right. Back me up if you need to do that again. So let's look at number 80, mezzo piano, allegretto. Allegretto is slightly slower than allegro, slightly faster than moderato. So we also have, we're in the key of what? The key of F. All right, F major. So I'm not going to go that fast, but we're going to be playing it da 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 da. Okay, let's just do air only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully that wasn't too hard to hear me. Okay, let's sing the note letters this time and finger with me. Ready, here we go. A, A, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, A, B flat, C, F, B flat, A, G, F. 5, 6. Okay? All right, let's try it. Mezzo piano, not too loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, good job. All right, we're going to continue with 81, the one right next to it, and we are working on our alternate fingerings as we did last week. So we have right pinky E, left pinky F sharp, and number 81 uses both of those. All right, and you'll also see G sharp in there, which we have talked about before, but it's worth reviewing. G sharp is just like G, and then that little pinky. G sharp is also, what is it also? When you go over the break, it's also E flat, right? So we have G sharp and we have the F sharp as well. So let's start with our right pinky and then be going to the outside long key for our left pinky. Here we go. Nice big sound O on the inside of your mouth. Ready and... All right, good job. Just for fun, let's do number 78, Over the River, another 6/8. And hopefully you've heard this song before. Over the river and through the woods. Okay, and we are in the key of D. We have C sharp and F sharp. Just for fun, you should do that with me. Okay, here we go. Remember your C sharps and F sharps. 1 and a 2 and a ready, go. And if I didn't say that was number 78, it's number 78, sorry. All right, that was fun. Please, clarinets, if you have any requests, please, Mrs. Salzman, can you work on over the break? Can you work on this scale, that scale, alternate fingerings, whatever. Post a question for me, private post, chat, whatever, and let me know. And I will make a video if I have a lot of people wanting the same thing. All right, I'll see you next time. Have fun.